everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have air dry clay dishes and other crafts I made. I'm gonna show you how I paint these and how I draw little details just to make them even cuter. Hope you stay with me to see my painting process. And now let's get started. I've already made and dried these clay dishes and other crafts. If you want to see how I make them, comment so I can make that video available where I show the whole process for you. Before painting anything, I have made sure there's no dust whatsoever on the surface. You can do this by using a clean brush and brush on top. For paint, I'll be using acrylic paints, paint markers for details, and I'll seal everything with Mod Podge. First things first, we need to add a base coat. I'm going with these cozy warm colors, but feel free to use any colors that matches your style. Paint this one. I'm gonna paint the light color first, just this color right here. Let's paint. Acrylic paint works great for this because it dries fast and has a nice matte finish. A quick glance of what my desk looks like. Very messy, huh? I know. And look, this is the problem. Yeah, I don't know. Do you guys have any suggestion on the camera setup? Because this isn't working anymore. I had enough, so I think I need to get something better. So let me know if you have any suggestion on the camera setup. I'm using 2 coats to make sure it has the color I want. Don't forget to paint the sides and let everything dry completely before moving on to the next step. So I waited about 30 minutes and looks like everything is dried. And now for the fun part, adding details. I'm using paint markers to draw some cute designs. I'm using Posca markers here because that's the one I have at home, but you can use any types of paint markers. So I'm drawing its eyes. I'm using brown here. And for the nose, I'm using pink. And cute little ears, I'm also using pink. So for the next step is sealing with Mod Podge. This step is to protect the paint and give the dishes and other items a glossy finish. I had glossy Mod Podge. I'm just gonna use this one. It should be all dry in 1 hour, but to be safe, I'm gonna wait 2 hours between each coat. I'm applying a couple of thin coats, letting each layer dry before adding the next one. Just a friendly reminder, don't forget to clean your brush after each use when using Mod Podge. I learned this the hard way. Here's the mushroom, and also one of my favorite is this cute kitty face dish. I really like how it turned out. Very glossy and very durable. And this one is, did you guys guess what these are used for? These are actually for my brushes. I'm gonna show you how I use these as brush holders in just a few minutes. Oh, here you go. Just like that, I can rest 1, 2, 3, and maybe one more brush. So that's holding 4 brush, just like that. See how cute that is? Yeah, I absolutely love how it turned out, especially this cute bunny design I drew on this one brush holder. And this one is for my studio. I'm gonna hang this outside the door, so when I'm working, no one is allowed come into the room so I can focus on working. And yeah, I'm attaching pipe cleaners right here, and it'll be perfect that I can hang it on the door. I love how it's matching colors too. This one is gonna be on my fridge. So what I'm gonna do is small magnet on the back so it can hold some papers onto fridge. And yeah, I think it's gonna be so cute. If you have made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like. See you next time.